Hello children, so welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In today's class, from mathematics subject, lines and angles topic we are going to discuss. So here, in our previous class, we learnt about adjacent angles and linear pair. And linear pair of adjacent angles, the topic we have learnt in previous class. So in today's class, in continuation to that, we are going to study about vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So two angles are called a pair of vertically opposite angles if their arms form two pairs of opposite rays. Let the two lines be AB and CD like this. This is AB, this is CD. Both of them are intersecting at point O. Both of them are intersecting at point O. So then, if they are able to form two pairs of opposite rays, here OA is opposite to OB, OC is opposite to OD, means this these rays, this OA ray, comma OB ray, this is one pair of rays opposite to each other, and OC ray and OD ray, this is second pair of rays opposite to each other. So we have got two opposite pair of rays. So then this angle AOC and angle BOD will be considered as vertically opposite angles, or angle AOD or angle BOC. Angle BOC. These two are considered as vertically opposite angles. So if the lines are able to form two pairs of opposite rays, so in that case we can have vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So here this vertically opposite angles also two pairs are there. So AOC is vertically opposite to BOD. BOD, AOC, this is one pair. AOD is vertically opposite to COB, this is second pair. Like this we have got two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Next one, based on this concept we have a theorem. If two lines intersect, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. If two lines intersect, then vertically opposite angles are equal. So they have given two lines intersect. So let the lines be, one is AB, another one is CD. Let they intersect at point O. Let they intersect at point O. So then they are telling vertically opposite angles are equal. So at point of intersection, vertically opposite angles are formed. So this AOC, BOD, they are equal. AOD, BOC, they are equal. This we have to prove. So if this AB and CD intersect at O, we have to prove that AOC is equal to BOD and AOD is equal to COB. This we have to prove. Okay, so proof. The ray OA is standing on the line CD. The ray OA is standing on the line CD. So this side, on either side of the line, these two angles sum will be 180 degrees according to linear pair concept which we have learnt already. So on the same, if a line is standing on another line, all the angles formed on the same side of the line equals to 180 degrees. So AOC plus COD equals to AOC plus AOD equal to 180 degrees. Again ray OD is standing on AB. Ray OD is standing on AB. So for the line, all the angles on one side, above side, on the angles on above portion of AB will be equal. So AOD plus BOD will be equal to 180 degrees. AOD plus BOD equals to 180 degrees. This is also because of linear pair. So from these two, this part, this LHS, AOC plus AOD equals to AOD plus BOD. From this first one and second one, we can equate LHS and LHS because both of them are equal to 180 degrees. Then AOD cancel. So AOC equal to BOD. So AOC equal to BOD. This we have got. So this proof we have got. So in the same way, we can prove this one also. In the same way, we can prove this one also. These two, this pair also will be equal. Next, children. So what important points we have learned, children? So two angles are adjacent if they follow three conditions. They should have same vertex. They should have common arm. So uncommon arms should be on either side of common arm. So then they are called adjacent angles. So two adjacent angles form a linear pair of angles if the non-common arms are two opposite rays. So these two angles, two adjacent angles, they form a linear pair if the non-common arm, this OC is the common arm in both the angles, OA and OB are non-common. If they form opposite rays, so then this will be called as linear pair, which is equal to 180 degrees. So that is that point we have learned. If a ray stands on a line, then the sum of adjacent angles formed is equal to 180 degrees. So this also we have learned. So if the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees, so then these two, this OA arm and OB arm will be opposite rays. OA and OB will be opposite rays. And sum of all the angles around a point means from a point, if we draw so many rays, from a point, sum of all the angles around that point, complete angle around a point, will be equal to 360 degrees. So two angles are said to be pair of vertically opposite angles if their arms form two pairs of opposite rays. This is one pair, this is second pair. If they are able to form two pairs of opposite rays, so then pair of vertically opposite angles will be equal. Or if two lines intersect, so then at the point of intersection, vertically opposite angles will be equal. This is equal to this one equal to this. So these points we have learned, children, from yesterday's video and from today's video. So based on that, we have some example problems, children. Let's solve them. So two lines AB and CD intersect at O. AB AB and CD intersect at O, if AOC equal to 50 degrees, if AOC equal to 50 degrees, find AOD. AOD how much? BOD how much? BOC how much? One angle given, three angles we have to find. Here children, if you observe here, so this OC ray, is standing on AB line. AB line. So OC this side one angle, OC that side one angle. These two angles sum will be linear pair. The 50 degrees plus, suppose if it is x, 50 degrees plus x, the value will be 180 degrees, because one ray is standing on one line means adjacent angles will be equal to linear pair, 180 degrees. So according to that, so or this side they have taken. Instead of that, we can take this side also. This OD ray is standing on, sorry, this OA ray is standing on CD line. So this angle 180 degrees. So 50 plus x 180. So AOD and AOC equal to 180 degrees because linear pair. AOD we don't know. AOC 50 degrees 180. Then AOD will be 50 will come this side, minus 50, 130 degrees. 130 degrees. So this side we have got 130 degrees. So here AB and CD are intersecting lines. So vertically opposite angles are equal. If this is 50, this will be 50 degrees. If this is 130, this will be 130 degrees. So BOD, AOC equal vertically opposite angles. BOC, AOD equal vertically opposite angles. So the three angles are one angle 130, one angle 50, another angle 130. Next one. So in the adjoining figure, AOB is a straight line. So AOB is a straight line. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Also find AOC. AOC how much? COD how much? BOD how much? This angle given as 3x plus 7. This angle 2x minus 10. This angle x. We have to find these three angles. We have to find these three angles. But all three angles are lying on the same side of the line. Same side of the line. So their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So 3x plus 7, 2x minus 9, 19 plus x equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So linear pair. So 3x plus 2x plus x, 6x. 7 minus 19 minus 12 equal to 180. 6x equal to 12 come this side. 180 plus 12, 192. X equal to 192 by 6, which is equal to 32 degrees. Now, one by one. So, AOC, how much? 3x plus 7. 3x plus 7, 3 into x value 32 plus 7, 96 plus 7, 103. So, COD, 2x minus 19 given, 2x minus 19, 2 into 32 minus 19, 64 minus 19, 45. BOD equal to x, x value is 32. So, like that we can find the angles. Next one. Two lines AB and CD intersect at point O. Two lines AB and CD intersect at point O such that BOC plus AOD equal to 280 degrees. BOC and AOD, this one, the sum of this x, this y equal to 280 degrees. Find all the four angles. But here two lines are intersecting. So vertically opposite angles are equal. This is equal to this and this one equal to this. Suppose if this is x, this is also x, this is y, this is also y. But they have given x plus x, BOC plus AOD equal to 280 degrees. So AOC, BOD, let it be x. Let it be x. These two are equal, these two are equal. Sum of all the four around a point equal to 360 degrees. So AOC plus AOD plus BOC plus BOD equal to 360 degrees. But the sum of these two, AOC plus BOD, okay, one minute children, they are assuming this AOC. They are assuming this AOC as x and this one as x, and sum of these two 280 degrees. So if they write all four, so AOC plus AOD plus BOC plus BOD equal to 360 degrees. So AOC they have taken it as x. The sum of these two they have given 280. BOD equal to x equal to 360. X plus x, 2x equal to 80 degrees. Because 280 this side comes minus 280. 360 minus 280, 80 degrees. X equal to 40 degrees. X means what? AOC or BOD equal to 40 degrees. What about remaining two? This BOC and AOD. BOC will be half of 280. Because these two sum is 280 means each one will be half of 280 means each one will be equal to 140. This will be 140 and this will be 140. So these two are equal to 280 by 2, 140. So the angles are, two angles are 40, 40 and two angles are 140, 140. Next one. So in the figure, OA and OB are opposite rays and angle AOC plus angle BOD equal to 90 degrees. Find COD. So OA, OB are opposite rays. So total angle will be equal to 180 degrees, linear pair. So they have given AOC, AOC. Suppose if it is x, BOD. Suppose if it is y, x plus y, they have given 90 degrees. Then COD how much? Suppose if it is z, then what is the value of z? R. What is the value of z? R children, 1 minute children. Here children, so they have given OA and OB are opposite rays. OA and OB are opposite rays and AB is the line. Ray OC stands on line AB, stands on line AB. So this part and this total part, This part is AOC, AOC, and the other part is COB equals to 180 degrees, linear pair. AOC, COB again can be written as COD plus DOB, COD plus BOD, 180 degrees. So again, we can write it as this BOD, we can take here, we can take front, AOC plus BOD, they have given this AOC and this BOD, this part equal to 90 degrees they have given, remaining part COD, these two will be equal to 180 degrees. So then COD equal to this 90 will come this side, 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degrees. So this part equal to 90 degrees. Next one. So in figure, OP bisects BOC. OP bisects BOC and OQ. OP line bisects BOC into two equal parts, 1 and 2, and OQ bisects AOC. This OQ line bisects AOC into 3 and 4. Then show that POQ. Then show that this POQ. POQ means 1 plus 4. This 1 plus 4 equal to 90 degrees. Equal to 90 degrees. Equal to 90 degrees. 1 minute, children. Equal to 90 degrees we have to prove. Let's take the diagram here. So this is the diagram, children. So according to question, OP is bisector of BOC. OP is bisector of BOC. BOC. So this BOC angle is bisected by OP. So these two will be equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. So angle 1 equal to, in BOC it is half part. BOC by 2. And OQ. OQ is the bisector of AOC. So AOC. Then 3 equal to 4. Then angle 4 equal to, in AOC it is half part. AOC by 2. But they are asking QOP. They are asking angle QOP, which is equal to angle 1 plus angle 4. So if we do 1 plus 4, angle 1 plus angle 4, angle 1 plus angle 4, angle 1 means BOC by 2, angle 4 means AOC by 2. AOC by 2. LCM is 2. We can write BOC plus AOC. We can write BOC plus AOC. So we can write BOC plus AOC. So AB is the line, OC is the ray, OC is the ray. So this angle, adjacent angles form a linear pair. Because they are opposite rays, they form a linear pair. So BOC plus AOC equal to 180 degrees. BOC plus AOC equal to 180 degrees by 2. So 90 degrees. So angle 1 plus 4 equal to 90 degrees. Or angle POQ equal to 90 degrees. POQ equal to 90 degrees. Next one. In figure, OA and OB are opposite rays. OA and OB are opposite rays. If x equal to 75 degrees, then what is the value of y? What is the value of y? If these two, OA and OB, are opposite rays and OC is the ray standing on AB, so then these two will make a linear pair. Sum of these two will be equal to 180 degrees. If x is 75 degrees, then y will be 105 degrees. Directly we can tell. Or if y equal to 110 degrees, x is 70 degrees. Directly we can tell. So since this AOC, BOC forms a linear pair, their sum should be equal to 180. So x plus 5, 180. If x equal to 75, y equal to 105. If y equal to 110, x equal to 70. Like that we can do. Next one. So in the figure, angle AOC, angle BOC form a linear pair. Determine the value of x. Determine the value of x. So AOC or AB is a straight line. OC is a ray standing on it. So 2x, 4x will be adjacent angles which forms a linear pair. So AOC, BOC make a linear pair. Means their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So one is 4x, other is 2x, sum is equal to 180, 6x equal to 180, x equal to 30. X equal to 30. X equal to 30. Next one. So in figure, OA, OB are opposite rays. OA, OB are opposite rays. AOC plus BOD 90 degrees. Find COD. COD how much? So this O, A, B, this is C, and this is D, this is A, this is B. So what they have given? OA, OB are opposite rays. So therefore AB is a line. OC stands on AB. So AOC plus COB, total angle, linear pair, 180 degrees. But COB can be written as COD plus BOB. COD plus BOD, 180 degrees. But they have given AOC and BOD equal to 90 degrees. So AOC, BOD 90 degrees given. COD we have to find the value equal to 180. This is equal to 90. COD equal to this 90 will go this side. 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90 degrees. Which is equal to 90 degrees. Next one. So in figure, ray OE bisects angle AOB. Bisects this ray OE bisects angle AOB, means bisects into two equal parts. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. And OF is a ray opposite to OE. Opposite to OE. Show that FOB, this part, FOB equals to FOA, this part. This FOB equal to FOA. This we have to prove. This we have to prove. So we have here, this is OB, OA, this is OB, OA, and this is O. Like this we have a line where this is E part and this is F part. F part. So now, so they have given OE bisects AOB. OE bisects AOB. This 1 and 2 are equal. So EOB equals to EOA. EOB equals to EOE. Now OB stands on FE line. OB stands on FE line. So this part and this part to be linear pair. So FOB, BOE. EOB, FOB equal to 180 degrees linear pair. And OA stands on FE. So this part to be linear pair. This part and this part to be linear pair. So this EOA, FOA to be linear pair, 180 degrees. So now if you add, because this is equal to 180, this is equal to 180, so LHS equal to LHS, LHS equal to LHS, EOB plus FOB equal to EOA plus FOA. So but in the place of EOB we can write EOA. EOA we can write. So EOA plus FOB equal to EOA plus FOA. FOA. This one EOA plus FOB. EOA plus FOB. EOA plus FOB equals to EOA plus FOA. EOA plus FOA. This part. So this part is equal, this part is equal. So this EOA, suppose if it is 1, 1 is equal to 2, this 1 is equal to 3. So if 1 equal to 2, 1 equal to 3, then indirectly we can write 2 equal to 3. Means 2 means what? FOB equals to FOA. So indirectly we can write FOB equal to FOA. Okay, children. So that's all for today, children. So thank you for watching our video. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. So you can also visit our website, children, aimstoday.in, for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, activities, English classes, coding classes. Thank you, children. Have a good day.